Coordinated domain network and legal responsibility disclaimer. I am not a lawyer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing here is legal or financial advice. The Intellisoft fraud was never just one or two websites. It was a coordinated network of cloned domains registered in quick succession, all using the same registrar and the same masking provider. The WHO's records show that Intellisoft.rest and Intellisoft.one were both registered on October 5, 2024. They use the same registrar, NameSilo, and the same DNS cover through Cloudflare. Both domains listed identical name servers. This is not coincidence. It is coordinated activity. Soon after, more clones appeared. Intellisoft.click, Intellisoft.life, and coremobileapps.life all followed the same pattern. Rapid registration, obscure domain endings, Cloudflare shielding, and registrars that failed to act when abuse was reported. This matters because the law does not view these as isolated mistakes. It views them as a pattern. Under the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, or RICO, a pattern of related criminal acts carried out by an enterprise is what establishes liability. Multiple cloned domains, controlled in coordination, are exactly the type of continuity and structure RICO was designed to address. Registrars like NameSilo are not immune to accountability. Under ICANN rules, they have contractual obligations to act on abuse reports. When fraudulent domains are registered and maintained despite notice, this is not neutrality. It is failure to enforce basic safeguards. Cloudflare's role is similar. By providing DNS masking, they concealed the true hosting provider and made it more difficult for investigators to trace the servers. Section 230 protections are often cited by corporations, but those protections do not extend to knowingly providing infrastructure for criminal activity once abuse is reported. In negligence law, companies have a duty of care when their services are being used for foreseeable harm. AWS provided the servers, NameSilo registered the domains, Cloudflare masked them. Each corporation was notified and each failed to act. That is not simply a technical oversight. It is a chain of negligence that allowed fraud to continue. For victims, this evidence is critical. It proves that Intellisoft was not a single fraudulent website. It was a coordinated enterprise, sustained by corporate intermediaries who ignored reports. That is why this case is not only about scammers overseas, it is about the infrastructure here at home that enabled them.